Friends, welcome into my today's session of maths into my YouTube channel Maths with Mukesh Raj, where we were dealing with the topic of mathematics from the CBSE curriculum of class 10th height and distance. Friends, once again I'm here in front of you going to deal with the problems in association with the three cases that we have already discussed into my previous video. The link of that I will be sharing into the description box. From there you can just go and watch the cases for which we will be solving the problems into today's session. So let's not waste our time, the precious time, the golden time, and directly switch on to the problems, or rather, I can say, let us dive into this world of height and distance and see how it is being applied into our day to day life as well as into the problems. So, the first problem of the day hits here into this form that the question says, the question is something like this, where the question is describing about a tower that stands vertically upwards, and the angle of uh, the angle between the angle of elevation is given as 60 degree, and the distance of this angle of elevation or the point of elevation from the tower is given as 60 degree. Here it is said, it is asked to find out the height of the tower. So this question is directly asking for the height calculation with respect to the given parameters, that is the distance of 20 meters and angle of elevation as 60 degree. Friends, here we can see that this is the first case implementation of the problem. So in order to solve this kind of problem, it is best suited that we first draw the diagram representing the or depicting the entire problem in the form of a figure. That would help us understand and rather apply the questions in a concept in a proper way. So just trying to depict the problem in the pictorial representation as in this form. It says that the distance between the tower is 20 meters away on the from the foot of the tower. Means the point is 20 meters away. Suppose this is the point. Let's assume that this is the point P, which is 20 meter away from the point from the foot of the tower. Let us assume that this point is A. The foot of the tower represents A and the top of the tower represents B, where it is going to form a 90 degree at the point A at that is the foot of the tower. And as per the question here, at point P, the angle that will be formed is 60 degree, and with this the distance between the foot of the tower and the point is given as 20 meters. So this is how we have been depicting the entire problem given here. Now, as per the question, we have to calculate the height, that is h, means the length of the tower, the height of the tower from A to B. Now the question is, since it depicts the first case out of the three cases that we have seen, so we can apply it in this form that tan theta is nothing but it is opposite by the adjacent. It is opposite by adjacent side, opposite side by the adjacent side. Side. Now here we can see that theta is the angle, that means 60 degrees is the angle that is formed, and opposite to this angle we are having the height of the tower that we have to calculate, and the adjacent side AP is given as 20 meters. So we can just put these values together and see what difference or what is the result that we get here. Tan 60 is equal to adjacent side, that is equal to AB, opposite side, that is AB upon AP. And we know that AB is the height that we are looking for, and AP is nothing but it is 20 meters. And we know that from the trigonometric table, trigonometric ratios table, we know that tan 60 is nothing but it is represented as in the form of root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So we will put this value directly over here and get the results done. So I can write here, or rather we can just equate this value, that is h, height h is equal to 20 meters and tan 60, which we on further calculation write 20 multiplied by root 3, and then we can conclude that height h of the tower is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Friends, this is how we can land up with the calculation or with the application of the first case where the angle of elevation is given, or even the angle of depression is given. We can just calculate them directly by using the basic trigonometric ratios, and even the composite one where we can use cot theta, cosec theta, or cot theta to get our desired result. So friends, that is all from my end for today's session. Hope this would have tried to make your concept clear, uh, and you would be able to solve further problems from different sources. So friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have subscribed it, please do subscribe it from the other devices, because that really motivates me a lot to come in front of you and put on my acquired knowledge and share it with you. So friends, see you in the next video very soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.